So we finally hit Holland. This is our 43rd country, and yeah, it's been a long time in the making. This is for all the right reasons. We're not here for all that usual stuff, but we're camping. We're in the camper van.
We're in Amsterdam.
We're in Amsterdam. Oh, oh yeah, I forgot that. Yeah, in Amsterdam, and yeah, off for breakfast. Walking down. I think we're on a bike bit, but I'm not too sure because we keep getting actually. The old bell keeps going, so it's quite lawless, and yeah, we're off for breakfast now, so it should be good. Scrambled eggs on toast.
Oh yes, stay tuned for food, culture, and anything else we can throw in there. We love our food.
Hoping for some really nice coffee as well, so I've heard of some nice coffee here, so not too...
And chocolate, hopefully we can get some chocolate.
Yeah, and we'll get the tram on the way back as well, so we'll try and document stuff and put some prices down, because a lot of people forget to put prices and where they are and how long it takes to get to places. So
yeah, and we'll also do a video on the campsite that we're staying at, which is called Camping Zeeburg. It's really, I mean, we arrived last night, but we've explored a little bit of it already, and it's really nice. So yeah, we'll do a video of that as well. We're at the Happy Pig Pancake House, and it's organic ingredients, which is a right winner for us because we love organic. And you can get buckwheat versions and normal versions, and then you can pick your own toppings. You've got savoury and you've got sweet. So we've done one of each, and we're going to share halfway.
oh yeah, there they are. Yeah, recommend this place. Not even eating here yet, so
No.
3, 2, 1. Check this out. What's this one? That's the savoury one.
Savoury.
No, this is savoury.
Savoury, yeah.
What's that one?
Gouda cheese, cucumber, tomato. And then this one is apple, almond, and cinnamon, and I think that's it. Yeah, and a buckwheat.
Jeez. How much is this lot?
With our drinks as well, 2 green teas, it was €28. So I think each pancake's about €10.
That's not bad, is it? About £8.
Yeah.
So about £20 for the whole lot.
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah, roughly, yeah. So
Yummy.
Happy Pig.
Can't wait. We recommend the Happy Pig Pancake House in Amsterdam. It's really nice. It's a little bit outside of the main, I think, because there's a lot of pancake houses, but this is a really good one.
Yeah.
Really cutesy. Very close through.
Yeah, decent price. And we ducked out the rain as well because that was really bad out there. So yeah, we come in summertime, but it's raining.
It's so nice just to get buckwheat ones.
Yeah, buckwheat, yeah, really nice, yeah. So
Apple cinnamon, recommend.
near enough all done. Couple of fatties. Maybe we're a couple of little piggies. Anyway, catch you here, a couple of happy pigs. Catch you on the other side. Peace back.
We are approaching Winkel 43, which we've been told do very nice apple pie. In we go. So where are we?
We are in Winkel. You have strudel.
Well, apple pie.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks decent. That's a decent bit of pie. Oh, yum, yum, yum. So around where Winkel 43 is, it's just such a nice area. We definitely recommend coming out to this bit, just a bit out of the old town. Oh, Pancake Bakery. Ooh, we've heard of this. Oh, that looks busy in there. So yeah, if you're after pancakes again, I mean, obviously we did the Happy Pig yesterday, which was awesome. But here's some prices.
Pancakes about 20.
Traditional pancakes, bacon and apple, bacon and pineapple. Yeah, loads of options. Nice.
Some cool shops around here as well, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit more like boho, isn't it?
Yeah, hippie. Looks like like a bit like vintage app, isn't it? Lots of second-hand clothing, but I don't think you can call them second-hand anymore, can you?
Vintage. But yeah, one thing you definitely have to watch out for, which we've said before, is just bikes.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very easy to potentially get run over. So keep an eye out. We are in.
Okay. Well, what I need to do is look for a toilet.
A toilet?
Maybe over here.
Check one out. So the food hall is really, really good. We've been to a few around the world, and yeah, that one in particular has just got a lot of options and quite reasonably priced as well. So we had a burger, what was that, €13?
Yeah, 11 quid.
Had a Fento bowl as well, so from the Mexican stand. That was €13. That was a vegetarian one. And yeah, so it seems quite reasonable price, and there is definitely something for everyone. So it's a good stop. We've been in there a while, so
Yeah, hour.
yeah, pretty full.
Your coffee.
We're going to go and get coffee and ice cream. There's always room for ice cream.
Never ending.
We've had apple pie today as
Let's
well.
get some chips
We
as
don't
well.
normally eat like this. So
No.
so these are treats. It's in the afternoon now. The sun's finally come out. We've been rained on quite a few times today.
Thank you, Mr. Brolly.
Yes, but we're just heading out of the town a little bit now towards a brewery. So
In a windmill.
Yes, in a windmill. So that's
kind
pretty
of cool.
Pretty cool. So we'll show you that when we arrive.
We're walking along the Oosterdok, which I guess is a dock because it's near the water. So
The Oosterdok.
it's really cool.
Yeah. Spin it around.
Looks like
Yeah,
a
just
floating
walking along
Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, what's that? Lots of little places here. It's like the new, DoubleTree Hotel. If you're ever staying in that one, that's where it is.
Coffee, cake and cold brew. That's an interesting combination.
We've seen a lot of cafes today. It's been actually hard to choose which ones to go into.
We've been choosing not to go into the cannabis cafes.
Yeah, there's a few of them around as well.
And watch out what cookie you eat, because could be quite an experience.
Pungent. But yes, we are heading for beer. We've arrived at the brewery. Cool windmill.
That's a cafe, and then you've got it split into this bit here. I think. Yeah. Brouwersgracht. I think we completely ruined that, but it's in Amsterdam. In an old windmill. Yeah, really nice.
Very nice.
New England IPA, fantastic. You like it? Even Sarah likes it.
We are having our last night in Amsterdam. We're having wine, good old wine. But yeah, Amsterdam's been really, really cool.
Loved it.
Loved it, yeah. The weather's been up and down, which is why this little thing we're in right now is really handy because it's kept us dry. And we've been able to cook outside. Show you that.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo.
Loving this bad boy, double halogen
our lovely induction hob, which we love. And then we just got our pans.
Bottle of wine.
Got a bottle of wine.
Bit of Bordeaux.
How much was that? That was
Bordeaux. £6 from €6.
No, €6.
€6 from Dunkirk area.
Yeah, we snaffled that when we got out of the ferry port, and yeah, the campsite, Camping Zeebergs, it's really good. So we'll do a separate video on that. So check that out, and you can we'll give you a tour around the whole site. And overall, yeah, camping in Amsterdam has been a very good start to our European 3-week road trip.
And a top tip is to not stay in the middle of Amsterdam. Some of the bits on the outskirts are really cool, and it's just really nice. A lot cleaner as well. Yeah,
definitely. Actually, yeah, that's very true. That's a really good tip. And if you actually do go and see Anne Frank's house, like we didn't actually go in it. We walked past it and
we just wanted food and drink.
And then if you go to the food hall as well, you do actually start to see more of that neighbourhood that we really liked. So it's definitely worth taking a bit of a trip out to that area. Oh, the wind is gusting. Yeah, take a trip out to that area, because then you will get to see the other neighbourhoods, and it just gets you out of the centre. The centre's all right. It's nice. It's just you can definitely tell the difference between being in there and then being on the other parts of the neighbourhood, which are definitely more, I'd say, cooler. So our next stop is Minden in Germany,
where I grew up, supposedly. Don't remember anything of it, but yeah, army quarters with my mum and dad and brothers, and yeah, I've got some pictures and some maps, so hopefully just map it out and see where I grew up as a little nibber.
Yeah, we're going to take a trip down memory lane. Stay tuned and stay with us on our journey. He's looking forward to Spätzle in Germany.
Spätzle, basically I think it's the original mac and cheese.
Yes.
I'm not too sure the Americans are like that, but I think it came from there, maybe.
Probably.
I think so, yeah.
Maybe.
But hey, who knows? Maybe I'm talking rubbish.
So, from both of us in Amsterdam.
Cheers. From the Bulldogs. Ciao.